Alright, hello fellow YouTubers and fellow babes. I got my first ever subscription box to BabeBox and wanted to do my first ever YouTube video for it. So let's get it out. Alright, so it comes just in a cute little box. Discover the best in beauty. I'm not normally a makeup person, but I really like that everything's like cruelty free, so figured I'd give it a shot for the days I do need a little cover up. Whatever. Mascara. Oh my gosh, okay. Sorry. The first thing I noticed is this Illuminati. I was looking at this specifically on their site because this is just like some really awesome mascara. Excited about that because I was kind of hoping and got lucky. It's like they heard me. I got, let's see, some eyeshadow, Lower East Side eyeshadow. That's in a really cute black box. Wow. Basic Beauty. Oh, a bronzer palette. Bronzy as. Yeah. A Leave Me On Winter Mask, pH balanced. Okay. Looks nice. Yeah. Blush liquid. Not bad. I did use the Black Friday deal to snag my first month for free so that I could get next month's at full price, I guess, and then maybe cancel or not. I don't know. I'm kind of liking it. We'll see how it goes. And like I said, I'm really excited about this, like Illuminati, so that'll be sweet. And then just in case, if you noticed my nails, I do sell Color Street. I'm an independent stylist with them, so message or comment, I guess, below. And yeah, I'll hook you up with some free samples if you want to try it. But it's some seriously awesome, not the subject of this video, but goat nail addict. So alright, well, comment, like, whatever, like and subscribe, because I am getting a Paradise Delivered box and a single swag box, so I could do like an unboxing video of that. Yeah, probably. Alright, well, see how this YouTube thing goes. Why not, right? See ya.